Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can open Jira on your web browser on the Windows laptop. See, this is on my Windows and I installed Jira localhost or the Jira server on my laptop, and when I search like localhost 8080 port number, initially this Jira is not opening. It is just saying something like this site can't be reached. And when I restart my computer, so it is not at all loading. This is because manually I need to start this Jira because I didn't install Jira as a software on Windows. I just copied the this folder, download folder, and manually I have installed it. So what I can do is on my computer I need to reach to the installed location of Jira, means where is the actual folder. I have placed this folder on this PC, Windows program files, and see here Atlassian Jira. Under Atlassian Jira folder there is a folder called bin. I need to open bin, and here I can search something like start.jira, which is a Windows batch file. See here start Jira, and this is a Windows batch file. If I run this, double click on this, this will actually start the Jira service through this command line. Okay, there will be series of commands automatically gets executed in the background. See the Tomcat server commands, and I need to minimize this. I shouldn't close this. In the background, this has to be running in the background, so that when now I execute localhost with the port number, whichever port number you gave, I generally gave 8080. So when I refresh this, after few seconds, this Atlassian Jira gets started on my browser. So this is through the manual process. If you install to Windows installer directly, you can search something like Jira here on your Windows 10 or 11 laptop. You can directly open that application so that you will get this localhost and Jira will be running. But yeah, still it is not yet loaded. Yes, it is being executing the commands in the background. I need to refresh it. Maybe like, see here, when I refresh the page, it took me like 2 minutes. When I refresh this page, Atlassian Jira is starting up. So this would also take like 2 to 3 minutes. Then once it is fully loaded, I can access the dashboard of Jira. So this is how you can start Jira on your computer if it is Windows 10 or 11. And I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and please do hit a like if you feel this is helpful.